everyone, today we're using OLED to display pictures. First, you need to find a graphics modular software to perform image modular. Here we've already obtained the type matrix. Now let's begin. This is the wiring diagram. It only needs to connect the VCC of the OLED to the VCC of the Arduino, GND to GND, SCL to SCL, and SDA to SDA. Next is the program. First, to load free library files. If you don't have these two libraries, you can click Sketch. Move to Include Library. Click Manage Library. Enter these two libraries on the input box, then click Install. Define OLED reset as 4. Apply this function to define the initialization of the display. The first value is the screen width, the second value is the screen length, and the third value is a pointer to an existing 2-wire instance. The fourth one is the reset pin, that is the value of macro definition. This is our image array. You can see that there are a total of 5. We use a pointer data to represent the image array we just defined. One advantage of using pointer array is that we can directly point to the array we just defined. Just use a for loop and display function to display the 5 image arrays. Define a for loop that loops 5 times. Use this function to display the image. If you want to display another picture, you can change the third parameter. Display the picture, set up a delay, and finally clear the display. Then you can see the effect.